What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Travis and I produce content for homeowners and up-and-coming heating and air technicians, teaching you everything you need to know about heating and air. And on today's service call, we've got a drain line that was found broken, and what we're going to do is we'll go in, we're going to replace it. I'm going to show you how to connect back a PVC drain line in case you have one at your house that's broken. So guys, stick around and I'll see you over at the unit. Okay guys, this is where the drain line was broken at. It's broken where it come out of the heating and air unit and go into our trap. What I did with a piece of pipe cutters, it had little jagged marks on it. What I did is I cut that so it's basically got a good seal. And right here on this line here, I cut that to the point we could put it back in a coupling. See, on the standard HVAC, your lines that are going in for your drain are 3/4 PVC. So if you have a broken drain line, just go to Lowe's or Home Depot, get you a coupling, which is a 3/4 coupling. And basically all it does is it fits onto your pipe. You put your pipe back together and that'll seal everything up. Okay guys, what we're gonna do is go put a cleaner on our line here. That'll clean off any debris from our pipe. Then what we're gonna do is we're gonna take our PVC cement. We're gonna put that on. And then what we do is just put our coupling on our first piece of PVC pipe. And then we take this and push it on in. So now guys, with the PVC cement and the cleaner on, that's going to seal that line, so we shouldn't have any other problems with the PVC coming loose. All right guys, that was a pretty basic broken HVAC drain line that we repaired on this. Basically, anytime you have in your crawl space or something like that, if you do have a broken line, which people can crawl up under there, hit it, or sometimes it comes apart if it's not glued. Really, all you got to do is you got to know is your basic HVAC drain line is a 3/4 PVC. If you don't have a place to put it back together, you always cut it flush. So we have just a straight cut. You want to go to Lowe's or Home Depot, get you a 3/4 PVC coupling, and what that'll do is that'll allow you to put the drain back together so it doesn't have any problems. Now when you put it back together, you want to use your PVC primer, which is the cleaner on the pipe first. That'll clean any debris. Once you do that, you put your PVC cement on, and then push everything back together, and that should hold your drain line tight. It'll probably take, a little, about 5 to 10 minutes to dry up, and after that you should be good to go. So guys, if you have a basic HVAC drain that's broken or something like that, now you know how to fix it. So guys, I thank you for watching. Please hit that like and subscribe button. It always means so much to me, and as always, I will see you on the next service call. Bye guys.